places.
Yeah, I bet.
All right, Maya, you ready?
Okay.
No, guys, wait!
Okay, she's going to give you the count, though, not that.
Yeah, I know, that's why I'm telling them to
You
wait.
excited, honey?
Yeah. Are you videotaping?
I am.
All
Okay.
right, so I'm going to do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and when I say 1, you're pressing this button. Okay? You ready? Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Good one, Maya.
Oh, there,
That was the best one,
I
Maya.
got fire, and now it's on fire!
It's on fire.
Back to the bench! Back to the bench! I want Bob to survive!
Wow.
That's a good fire, too.
Bob died.
That would definitely be a single-use rocket.
Yep.
For sure.
Can I have that cap?
Don't touch it yet.
The cap is very hot right now.
Yeah, the cap is melting.
Oh, it's gonna melt?
Yeah. And there's... You got a fire. Hold this for a second.
Okay. Sitting on the bench. No.
Don't press anything.
Do not launch yet.
Safety's not in. All right, so I'm going to say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when I say 1, you are going to press that button hard, okay? Ready? What do I need to see? Don't listen to them. I do the count. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! No, leave it.
Cool.
Okay.